Hi guys, welcome to this video. So I wanted to do a very beginner friendly how to use the leg press video. Basically this video is for anyone who doesn't know how to use the leg press and you might be a little bit nervous. This is what the leg press machine looks like. This is where the plates are kept, and it might look a little bit different at your gym, but this is what it looks like at my gym. Bars are where you put the plates, and this handlebar helps you to get situated in your seat, and this is the seat where you sit. And this is another view of the leg press machine, and this is what it looks like when you are about to sit down on the seat. So now I'm going to walk you through it as if I was about to do the leg press. So these are the plates, and you put them over here, and then you grab onto the handlebar over here and you sit yourself down comfortably into the seat. And you just kind of like adjust yourself and get comfortable. I usually just like to feel like what's around me, and then I place my feet up onto the leg press. And then these handlebars right here, these are what you rotate to allow you to push and press the leg press. You rotate the bars up, and doing that unlocks the leg press, and it allows me to now push and press up and down. And as you can see, in between my feet, when I rotate the bar up, there's this little thing. I really wish I knew the correct terminology, but I'm gonna zoom in, and now you can see this thing here. That is what allows the leg press to lock and unlock. So when you rotate the bar, that's what allows you to use the leg press, and then when you rotate it back down, that's what locks it into place. And here is another perspective of me getting onto the leg press. So again, I use the handlebar to sit myself down. I place my feet onto the leg press and I put my hands on the handlebars down there. I rotate the bar up and that unlocks the leg press, and now I'm able to use the machine smoothly. Usually when I use the leg press, it's one of the first exercises that I do in my workout routine. It is a compound exercise and it incorporates a lot of your big muscle groups, so I usually have the most energy at the start of my workout, so I like to do exercises like this at the very start. And then later on in my workout, that's when I do my isolation exercises. But I usually start with my leg press or RDL or just anything that's like super heavy and uses a lot of muscle groups. Yeah, I really hope this video was helpful. I wanted this video to basically be aimed for anybody who does not know how to use the leg press, and I know what it's like to feel little bit intimidated when you go into the gym and there's equipment that you want to use but you're just a little bit unsure of how to. So basically just wanted to walk you through how to use the leg press at your gym, and I really hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.